So with everything being in a flux today, crypto is pumping. It is actually up over 6% as a whole, and Bitcoin has retraced over 42,000. Now, even with that being said, the overall crypto market is still in an extreme fear state, and a lot of people are still panicking. We have so much going on in the world, the war between Russia and the Ukraine. We have Biden that should be signing the crypto executive order today, and then when we think about next week here for the US, we have three major things that should start to take place: Fed tapering, the stopping of QE, and the raising of interest rates. And so we have a lot of stuff that's going on, which is why we are still in an extreme fear state. But I want to do my best to hopefully help you not panic, because when we panic, we don't make the best decisions, and then we also regret it later. And so I want to try to help you guys that are in crypto that may be panicking due to everything that's going on. We still have so much money that is coming into crypto, so don't listen to the certain news out there that say, hey, crypto's going to zero, because if it was, why is all these venture capitalists investing into crypto? And I'm going to be showing you that in this video. Welcome back to the channel, millionaires. What we're going to be covering in today's video, we're going to be looking at what we know so far about the Biden cryptocurrency executive order, and then I'm just going to show you the money that's came into crypto in 2021, and also what's coming to crypto just in this year through all the midst of the chaos. So before diving into it, I want to take a brief second to talk to you about one of the partners on the channel, which is 𝗓𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, and 𝗓𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 is one of the #1 crypto IRA platforms in the world today. And the reason why this is so important is because you can actually save on your capital gain taxes, and you can use this 24/7, 365. And also they have top-notch institutional grade crypto custody for our digital assets, Coinbase custody, and Fireblocks. Now, as for the cryptocurrencies that 𝗓𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 offers, you can see pretty much the top known cryptos that are in the space today that we can buy and sell and save on those capital gain taxes. So if you'd like to check out 𝗓𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 and this is your first time signing up, you can also earn $100 free in Bitcoin. All you got to do is use the link in the description below and you'll be on your way. But now let's go ahead and dive into briefly just the price chart here of the overall crypto market, just to see where things are. So looking at CoinGecko, we can see crypto market over 1.9 trillion. We are up about 6.3% on the day, or at least at the time of this video. And if you look at Bitcoin here, right over 42,000. So definitely things are pumping. As we look at the crypto and fear greed index, we can see right now 22. This was updated today. And if you look just last week, we were neutral at 52. And look how quickly things change, because we all know crypto definitely can change like the weather. Now, as we look at the Biden to sign executive order on regulating issuing cryptocurrency, this is coming from The Hill. I just have a couple parts highlighted here for us. Now, we do know he's supposed to sign this week to direct several federal agencies to investigate and develop policies and regulations on digital currencies. And you can see this is likely to be signed Wednesday, which is today. And this would be the White House first step toward regulating cryptocurrency. Now, the next section, it says it will reportedly outline what the federal agencies, including the Treasury, State, and Commerce departments, need to do to develop regulations and policies on cryptocurrency market. And the last section here talks about the order will ask the State Department to make sure that American cryptocurrency laws align with those of U.S. allies, the AP reported. It will also reportedly task the Financial Stability Oversight Council, which identifies risks to the country's financial stability, to investigate any financial concerns. Now, if we look over here from Reuters here, we can see that the crypto executive order, Biden order, sets a 180-day deadline for a series of reports on the future of money. Now, listen to this. We can see a significant shift in policy in 180 days, or pretty much 6 months. This is likely a step toward the creation of a central bank digital currency. And so that's basically what we know so far about the Biden cryptocurrency executive order, because of course they can kind of change some things until it actually comes out, to the masses. And so now I want to take a look at the venture capitalists that came into crypto, just to let you know crypto isn't going anywhere. every crypto isn't going to make it. About 90 to 95% won't make it. However, there are still a lot of cryptos that will make it. And so I just want to show you the money that's come in, because with all of the chaos that's going on, with some of the news that come out, they will make you think that crypto is going to zero. And that's not the case. Of course, every crypto isn't going to make it, but blockchain and crypto is the future. So let's briefly take a look at how much money came into crypto just last year, and then I want to show you the money that's already came into crypto this year through the midst of all of the chaos, while most people are distracted with everything else that's going on. Let's check it out. So according to a report published Friday from Galaxy Digital Research, venture capital firms poured $32.8 billion into startups in crypto and blockchain technology sector, a figure that was higher than all prior years combined. This massive amount of dry powder minted at least 47 companies with valuations above $1 billion, so-called unicorns in the crypto market. Now, about 43% of crypto funding went into companies involved in trading, exchange services, investing, and lending of crypto assets, while 17% was directed towards NFTs, DAOs, Web3, Metaverse. Other categories that drew significant VC interest includes custody, infrastructure, and decentralized finance. Now, if you look at this screenshot, you can see here's the funding going back to 2015, and then we start getting into the billions as 2017 hit. And this is when the ICO really went crazy in 2017 and 2018. And if you look at this screenshot here, back in 2017 leading all the way up to the end of last year, you can see how much they have started investing in this cryptocurrency market. So don't let the FUD news, break your confidence on what you are invested in, okay? And so now let's go ahead and dive into the January 2022 key stats right here. This is going to talk about around 200 crypto startups secured funding. There was 15 mega rounds of at least 100 million. The biggest round was from Fireblocks at 550 million. Crypto trading, custody, and financial services categories received the most funding. The NFT and gaming vertical continued to secure ample cash. And then crypto infrastructure is getting popular among VCs. So you can see all this have already taken place just last month in January, and we are still kind of at the beginning of February. So you can see there is a lot of stuff happening through the midst of all of the chaos, and I've tweeted things like this before. When you see a lot of stuff going on, this is when you see a lot of stuff happening behind the scenes. This is when a lot of development, a lot of adoption, and a lot of other things are coming into crypto, while a lot of the masses is focused on something completely different. And this is why I say, when things are down, this is the time to really educate yourself, to really figure out what's going on and how the world is moving. So if you gain some value from this video, smash the like button. Really helps out the channel, and I will see you on the next one.